I'm here with this 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and if you're looking for something super luxurious that has a sunroof, tow package, heated seats, and more, then definitely check it out. I'm Alana here at WowWoodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for the past 3 years. And you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in as a gray exterior color, which is very sophisticated. You have your Jeep badging in the middle. All of your chrome trim is along your grille there, and then you have your headlamps, fog lamps, everything up front with your 2 tow hooks. Now this is an eco diesel, so it gets about 28 miles to the gallon on the highway, and it is a 3-liter V6. And then looking down at your wheels, those are 18-inch alloy wheels, and this is a trail rated 4x4, so that means those wheels can take you anywhere. This could also fall under our certification, and if it does, it'll be your 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain, 3-month, 3,000-mile max care coverage, and more. And to learn more about that warranty, give us a call here at WowWoodys. One of our friendly sales advisors will get you more information about that. Your side mirrors are chrome capped with indicator lights on them, and they are power adjustable and heated with blind spot monitoring and cross path detection, so that will alert you if there's a vehicle in your blind spot or crossing behind you up to 15 yards away. And then making your way inside, this has keyless entry. Front seats, we have these black leather seats, super comfortable. They are heated, and both sides are power adjustable with memory settings on your driver's side. Your steering wheel is also leather wrapped and heated. You have your cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming, and your cruise controls on the front with media controls and paddle shifters on the back. Your media center is an 8.4-inch touchscreen brought to you by Uconnect. So you have your radio controls here. You can also subscribe to Sirius XM radio if you want. You have your media controls, so you can connect your own device. So you can plug in your phone with your aux cord and then listen to your own music or your podcast or whatever you want. You have your climate controls here, so you can easily adjust your settings. And then you have tons of different Uconnect apps on these pages. Projection Manager allows you to project your smart device onto your screen here. You can subscribe to Wi-Fi hotspot or Travelink. But one thing that I think is really unique and amazing about this vehicle is its off-road pages. So like I said earlier, this is a trail-rated 4x4. You have all of your different specifics for your off-roading. If you want to look into these, you have your select terrain, accessory gauges, pitch and roll, suspension, and your vehicle dynamics. So you have more things on this page, all of your settings. You also have your controls for your heated seats and steering wheel, and your backup camera. So what I love about these backup cameras is obviously it helps you see what's behind you, but it also gives you kind of a gauge of how far away stuff is. So you have your red area right here, so that means you're really close, you're going to hit it. You have your yellow area, which means you have a little bit of space, and then your green is good. You have your navigation system here, so you can get to your destination really easily using that map. And then you have your phone settings, so you can connect your phone with Bluetooth, make phone calls, and text messages. Down below you have everything in buttons, all of your radio and your climate controls, but you also have your traction control, sport mode, eco mode, and your sensing system. Down below here you have 2 USB ports, an aux port, and a 12-volt, and then you have your 2 cup holders, and then your select terrain system, plus your 4-wheel drive buttons and your air suspension buttons. Looking into your center console, you have this top layer, and then more room down below with another 12-volt. And then looking up, you have SOS Assist, which is subscribable, garage door openers, and then controls your center to let in some nice fresh air. So let's look at the back seats. Okay, so here in the back seat you have room for 3 passengers. You can pull down your cup holder armrest there, and then your seats are heated in the back. So you have your 2 heated buttons next to a 115-volt and 2 USB ports. You can also fold these seats down to give you some extra room in the trunk. You have your seat anchors for your child seats as well. Looking up, you have your roof rack, lift spoiler in the back, and then your limited and your 4x4 eco diesel badging with a rear sensing system, and of course your tow package, so that is amazing. You can bring your trailers with you wherever you go. And then you have a power lift gate and remote start on your key fob. Looking into the back here, this is an enormous trunk. I mean, there's so much space in the back, and then you have even more room with that seat folded down, and then your spare tire is located underneath. So overall, love the Jeep Grand Cherokees. They give you so many different features when it comes to luxury, when it comes to safety, when it comes to technology. And so if you want to see this amazing SUV or any of our other SUVs, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
Where are you guys from?
From the Kansas City area, Shawnee.
Montrose, Colorado.
Claremore, Oklahoma.
Baton Rouge, Louisiana.
Parkville, Missouri.
I'm from Southern California.
Absolutely, yes.
No question about it.
Already done it.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, I would say for sure.
Yeah, no.
Of course I would. For anyone. I would definitely tell you this is a great experience for anyone to have. If you're shopping for a vehicle, any kind of vehicle, WowWoodys is the place to be.
Of course.
Okay, well thank you for taking the time.
Yeah, you're welcome.